Alright, so I'm going to go over on how to upload a photo into a quiz or on your Canvas, and you can upload it literally from anywhere. So what you need to do is when you are doing this is you are going to go into one of your assignments. Let's go into this assignment here. Once you have that assignment, you are able to, so this is a quiz. So it has this button where it says take a quiz. Click on it. And then it has all of these right here. Okay, so here there's an option. So a lot of the times I have you guys choose a file where you can upload a file. So that's one way you can do it. Or if it's one of these questions and you're wanting to upload a file like a picture with it as well, how you do that is you go to this picture right here where it says Embed Image. You click on it, and it gives you these three options. So we don't want the URL, we want Canvas. So we go to Canvas, we go to My Files, I don't have anything. So I want to upload a file. So what this does is it allows me to pull up anything in my computer. So if I move this down, I want this one. So I just took this photo. I'm going to upload it. There it is. I want that, so it's selected. And I'm going to put update. So then it inserts this photo. You can make this bigger too. And you can edit the size of the photo. So you can make it smaller, or you can make it even a little bit bigger if you don't want. And then you are able to add text next to it or above it. So you can type all of your answers here, okay? Or if you're wanting to do multiple images, so say if you don't want this image, delete that, and you want to organize them, create a table. And if you're wanting information, so you want 3 photos or you want 2 photos with 2 things right there, you can go to Embed Image, Canvas, My Files. I already have it, so I can upload it. Oops, cancel. So I got that. I'm going to update, and it puts it in this box so that you guys can organize your files or your pictures. So there's one. If I want another picture here, I can embed another file, Canvas, upload file. Ooh, gotta click on My Files first, then upload file. Let's view mural. Open. Takes a minute, and we hit update. And it puts 2 photos in. You can type answers here and give all of your info that you're wanting. We don't want to forget the details. And then when you're done, you can submit it. So these are some simple ways to upload a file. I know a lot of you guys have been struggling with this, and I just figured out how to do this screen recording. So I hope this helps. If you are needing more help on how to do this, let me know and I can start screening some videos for you guys.